it's not just an event, it's a festival which each and entire family of Ayodhya and the country will celebrate. We are at the Lata Chowk area. See the security arrangements. The entire area has been clearly barricaded. Those who are allowed, they are allowed as a pedestrian. No heavy vehicle movement is permitted here, as the Ram Siya Ram echoes all around. The posters of Mohan Bhagwat, RSS chief, around PM Modi's posters with a written thing, Divya Bhavya Navya Ayodhya, placed, erected all across this temple town, awaiting the arrival of PM Modi and the flag hoisting ceremony, which will see a 191 feet saffron flag made by the artists of Ahmedabad. It was completed in 25 days, but the entire ceremony took 4 to 5 months for the completion, and the day has come with the weight of PM Modi and Mohan Bhagwat. It will be the official announcement of the completion of Ram Temple in Ayodhya as well. So the atmosphere outside the Ram Temple is electrifying. At gates, the floral decoration, everything. Just go to the visuals and see and witness the beauty of Ayodhya. As Jagat Guru Ramanatacharya Dwar, this is the entry point for all the devotees for the darshan purposes. And if you see the visuals, that Shankaracharya is stationed right here. Lord Sri Ram taking the arrow and the bow in his hands, while Hanumanji is also placed taking the Sanjeevani booty in his hands out here. While right over here, you will see the pillars have been given a golden outlook out here, and this has been made by via a form and a wooden stick, and that's why it has been beautified out here. And not just that, if you see the flowers out here, the different species of flowers have been used out here to ensure a proper functioning here. Not just that, Hum Ram Ji ke, Ram Ji Hamare hain, that's what written out here in the boats outside. They are being erected at the VIP gates, and that's why the people having these particular decorations are beautifying everything around the Ram temple. And these visuals, Jai Shri Ram written out here, and the magical atmosphere in Ayodhya, clearly depicting a story. Devotees in large numbers, security arrangements, you can see around the Ram temple have also been enhanced. The security people are checking, taking the details of all the people coming here. So security arrangements have also been enhanced out here. So these visuals are clearly telling the story that the policemen also ensuring that proper barricading and the decorating thing of Ayodhya. कैसा लग रहा है अयोध्या आकर?
बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया। और हमने दर्शन भी किए, दर्शन भी बहुत अच्छे से हुए। हमने अंदर दर्शन भी किए, हमारे दर्शन भी हमारे बहुत अच्छे हो गए।
अच्छे थे, बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमने जयकारा भी लगा, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत सिक्योरिटी है,
बहुत सुंदर बनी हुई है,
बहुत।
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही पुख्ता यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी है और बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हैं यहाँ पे। बहुत
ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है, जिसकी तरह से आधिकारिक ऐलान है कि राम मंदिर निर्माण पूर्ण हुआ है।
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐलान है ये। बहुत मतलब ये एक हिंदुत्व के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और
बहुत शान और गर्व की बात है कि मोदी जी के आने से हमारा ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है और बहुत बढ़िया, हर चीज सिक्योर।
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.